Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 11:51 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, August 27, 2021. We're here to talk about NuCypher. Okay, this is not financial advice. The video is intended for educational purposes only. Click the subscribe button, click the bell, click the thumbs up. We want everyone to know NuCypher is kind of newish right now, and it's truly a foundational piece of software that people can use for encryption capabilities, proxy re-encryption, secret types of messaging, data in transit types of activity. And what's more pressing here, and what's really good about this company, is that it is so early stage relative to some of the other ones, but it's definitely filling a pretty significant void. Cybersecurity is always a big deal, and making sure that you have the level of encryption and the level of privacy is very, very obvious for almost every company out there that is developing any kind of blockchain technology for their applications. So this is one of those tool sets that many developers can use. Click the thumbs up so that we get people to see more of the greatness of NuCypher. And then, of course, there's a Twitter link below the video. You hear about it every single day. Wall Street Trader link, that one will give you my intraday updates. Anyway, let's move into where I'm at. Everyone already knows this. I'm in 39 cents. We're close. We're close. A bit of a rally yesterday for NuCypher. Very, very exciting times. Let's go take a look at the market. Now, we definitely stayed above this red line, and, you know, it shouldn't be a red line, but it is. But main thing here is, again, this is exactly what I'm talking about. You know, sometimes you get over here in this range. This is the NuCypher US dollar pair. You get under, but it doesn't stay for long. This stayed for a few hours. And so you can't just jump ship at that point, because a lot of times these might be fake outs. The line might be slightly off. So you can't, you know, there's no perfection here. This is not a liquid market. This is not an FX trade. This is not like, you know, equities where you got thousands and hundreds of thousands of trades on a highly, you know, liquid Dow 30 type of company that you're trading. So look, this is a much lower market cap, so you have to kind of like understand these patterns are not perfect. They actually are slightly less perfect than what you would see in a typical liquid market. Now, NuCypher's at $30.49 right now. We are still over the trend. We were worried in yesterday's video. I'm no longer worried, and I'm going to continue to track it because, you know, this could come back down again. But we definitely started hitting this resistance line, and we're getting really close to the end. We have a few days. I'm going to track this daily with you guys because this is too exciting. Hopefully, this is the time. This could be the moment. I don't know if it is. Like, this is a 50-50 here, folks. You have a shorter term support line and a longer term resistance line. Usually the longer term kind of wins, but you know, we've been pecking at this line now for some time, and I think it's time to reverse. I mean, that's just my opinion. I have a good feeling about this time around, but again, not trading advice, not financial advice. Okay, let's look at NuCypher Bitcoin. Again, same kind of thing. Dipped below, came straight roaring right back over that line. Now we're kind of hugging that line. I'd like to see us a little more bullish on this pair. To be honest here, I think it would be great. There's a couple of other indicators that might be showing us that we might be in for more altcoin rally ahead. And we're going to go into that with the dominance pair. Let's just go to Bitcoin dominance before we go to Bitcoin itself. Here is the channel on the Bitcoin dominance pair. Again, Bitcoin dominance is what percentage of all cryptos out there are Bitcoin, right? So 44% of all of the amount of cryptos out there in terms of dollars, 44% of that total market share belongs to Bitcoin. Obviously, 56% belongs to the altcoin market, and that includes Ethereum. That includes everything else. Anyway, so taking a look at this, we're definitely, the dominance is going down, which is good for altcoins. That means altcoins will do better than Bitcoin, but we need Bitcoin to go up, right? Bitcoin can't go down because it just means that altcoins won't go down as much. But if Bitcoin goes up, then altcoins will do that much better. And I feel very bullish on Bitcoin. So here we are. We're going to look at, I'm going to zoom into this So we had a diamond pattern yesterday. I was hoping for a reversal here. Normally, when you go into a reversal diamond, it would come back up to where it kind of verticaled in. But we didn't. But we're still on the way back up here. We're at 48, 230, 236. I think we've got some staying power here, and evidenced by this channel. This channel here is still intact. The one with the faint yellow lines here. This channel is definitely intact. We're still on this kind of zip line action. You know, the channel's actually pointing to 100,000 versus my green line, which I think it would hit 80,000. I'm a little more conservative. A lot of people are thinking 100,000, but you know, I like to be surprised. Anyway, that's pretty much all I've got. I'm pretty bullish on NuCypher at the moment, but you know, we got to track this very closely over the next couple of days. Stay safe, everyone.